Welcome everyone. I'm Teacher Neo with English Teacher Neo. We are at the post office right now and I have some cards to mail. So let's go on in. All right, let's go. Let's open the door. Opening the door right now. Okay. So in a post office, in this one, there are steps. So we're going up the steps. So, okay. In a post office, you can actually get a passport, and you can see that right here. But we're just mailing letters today. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna get in line. And so we just wait here, and there are some boxes and everything if you need to package anything that you need to mail right here. So, and there are cards over here, and then usually there are letters and stuff that you can, envelopes that you can put your stuff in. So, but are you ready? Okay. All right. I need to mail some letters.
Okay. I'm just looking to put regular stamps on
Yeah.
them. Okay. How many do you need?
Let's see. 10.
Okay. I'll make sure they're kind of tiny. So I have priority estimated 3 days starting. Okay. Does it matter what kind of stamps go on them?
No.
Just whatever works?
Yeah, whatever works. They're actually thank you cards, so.
Okay. Flowers okay on them?
Yeah, that'll work.
And you didn't need any additional insurance.
Put that $780 today.
Okay, 780. Is it ready for me?
I'm just gonna ask a survey question first.
Okay.
Just a second. There you go.
All right. So I tap to pay. I'm gonna put my PIN number
Do you
in.
know if there's a secondary address, like in an apartment, or?
No, it's a camp and it's just over
Let's see.
Go to the main office.
I'm gonna print the receipt.
There you go.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, then I'm gonna put this in the trash over here. Let's go. Okay, so I have a trash can right here, putting that away. I have my receipt. I had 10 cards to mail, so it was $7.80. Over here, when you go to a post office, there are post office boxes that you can always pay for, and you can see that there are several of them here. And then if you just need to come in here and drop a letter off, you can come right over here. And this is for big packages. You would open it and put your package in there and then close it and it'll drop down in there. And over here, you can put your stamped mail in, and that's how that works. So this is how it works at a post office here in the United States. How does it work in your country? How do you mail letters? Can you or can you not? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.